you have two equations, y is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1, and y is equal to x squared minus 16. So you have to find what are the values of a, b, and c. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 1 in this equation. In this other one is a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, as we don't have an x value, and c is equal to negative 16. So after you have the values of a, b, and c, you have to get the vertex. You substitute in the values. Negative b will be negative 2 divided by 2a, 2 multiplied by 1, comma 4a will be 4 times 1 times c will be 1 minus b squared, it will be 2 squared divided by 4a, so it will be 4 times 1, and you just substitute in the formula, and the vertex will be negative 1 comma 0, and in this one you do the same and will be the vertex 0 comma negative 16. Then the axis of symmetry basically is the value of x, so remember that the first value of the vertex is x and the second one is y, so the axis of symmetry will be negative 1, in this case will be 0. And then you have to use the quadratic formula to obtain the x-intercepts. So remember the quadratic formula, x is equal to negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So the procedure doesn't fit, but you substitute in the formula. Let's do it with the second equation. It's negative b, so it will be negative 0 times minus the square root of b squared, it will be the 0 square, minus 4ac, it will be 4 times 1 times negative 16 over 2a, it will be 2 times 1. So you substitute in all the formula like the past exercises, and the x-intercept of each equation. For the first one, the x-intercept is just negative 1, and in the second equation will be 4 and negative 4. And then you have to graph them. You have vertex is equal to negative 1 comma 0 for the first equation, the second one 0 comma negative 16. The x-intercepts of the first one is negative 1, and for the second equation were negative 4 comma 4. So first you have to plot the x-intercepts. For the first equation, this one is for the first equation, and this parabola is for the second one. For the first one, you plot the x-intercepts. In this case, negative 1. So you go negative 1, plot the x-intercept. You just have one x-intercept. So you just calculate more or less the direction of the parabola and you plot it. And then you plot the vertex, negative 1 comma 0. It's the same point, and the x-intercept is the same point. So you have to calculate the parabola. And in the second problem, it's 0 comma negative 16 the vertex. So 0 in the origin, negative 16, here is the vertex, and plot the x-intercepts. That is negative 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you plot your parabola. It will be like this. And this is the answer of graphing your two equations.
And we have 11x plus 6y equals 18, 3x plus 3y equals negative 6. And here we're going to solve for x and y for the two problems. And we're going to have 6y equals 18 minus 11x, and I choose to solve for y, so it's going to be y equals 18 minus 11x divided by 6, because you got a 6 to the bottom, and then you're going to have y equals 3 minus 6x divided by 6, and it's going to be, you're only going to take the number 3 down, which is going to be the one that doesn't have the x variable, and it's going to be y equals 3. And then in here we're going to have 11x equals 18 minus 6y, and then you're going to pass the 11 down, and you have x minus 18 minus x 18 minus 6y divided by 11, and then you're going to have x equals 1.636 because you divided these two to get the x. And then in the other problem, you're going to do the same. You're going to solve for x and y. And here I did 3x divided by -6 minus 3y. And then I passed at number 3. And I divided -6 divided by 3 and -3y divided by 3. And I got -2. X equals -2. And in here is the same. We're going to pass the number 3 down. And we're going to divide it by these numbers, and it's going to be the same because -6 divided by 3 is going to be -2, and you're going to only put this, like you're going to put it like this: 3y equals -2 minus 3x divided by 3, and that's the answer. These are the answers for each one of the problems.